Now, let's solve for the number of bars required for the maximum moment in each axis. So here, let's use 32 millimeter reinforcing steel bar. So knowing that we have a square pile cap, so knowing that we have a square pile cap, we can solve one axis, and that is also equal to the other axis. So this is your area. So now, these are your piles. So summation, let's do summation of moment on the column face equal to 0. We have our mu equals, so we have our 1, 2, 3 times the reaction multiplied by the moment arm of 0.875. So times 0.875, so substitute 3 times, so the reaction is 718.31 times the moment arm 0.875. We have mu equals 3 times 18.31 times 0.875. So we have mu of 1885.56. That is kilonewton meters. And the effective depth of pile cap D is equal to 3005 minus 250, that is equal to 2755 millimeters. So we proceed to solving for the reinforcement index omega. So we have mu equals phi fc prime b d squared omega times 1 minus 0.59 omega. By substitution, 1885.56 kilonewton meter multiplied by 1000 squared to convert to Newton millimeter equals phi of 0.9 times Fc prime times B of 2800 times D of 2755 squared omega times 1 minus 0.59 omega. We have the reinforcement index of 1885.56 times 1000 squared equals 0.9 times 35 times 2800 times 2755 squared omega times the quantity of 1 minus 0.59 omega. So the value of omega is 0.00282. Now, after finding the value of the reinforcement index, we can solve the steel ratio given by rho. So rho is equal to omega Fc prime over Fy. So that is equal to 0.00282 times 35 over 415, and that is equal to 0.00023. Now let's check for minimum steel ratio or the rho minimum. So the rho minimum is equal to 1.4 over Fy equals 1.4 over 415 equals 0.003373. Now we use rho minimum. So to solve for the required steel area, we have AS equals rho BD. So that is equal to 0.03373 times 2800 times D of 2755. So your steel area is 0.00373 times 2800. So we have 26,019.32 square meters. Now, let's solve for the number of 32 mm diameter reinforcing steel bar. So we have pi over 4 times 32 squared times the number of bars equals 26,019.32. So we have n equals 32.35, or the next higher whole number is 33 pieces. So therefore, use 33 pieces of 32 mm diameter RSB both ways, and that ends the design of pile foundation using the data, the soil test, and the specs of structural piles.